Assalamualaikum friends, hi, how are you? This time we are working on mini crochet poster decor. Hope you will like it. So for that, first of all, we will pick the thread and then I will make a loop on my hand. Just see how I am making the loop, and I have made the cross on my hand, and then I have put the crochet hook in a unique way. Just follow this step and then pick the thread and pass it from the hook. I am following, or I'm doing each knitting step very slowly so that you guys can understand that how to do every next step. So now I'm picking the thread and I will make the 2 chains. So you can make the 2 chains or the 3 chains or more. It's up to you that how much length you want for your crochet. Okay, now I will follow the double crochet pattern like I have made the 2 loops on the hook, and now there's a third loop over the crochet hook, and I will pick the thread and pass it from the 2 of the loops, and then again I will pick the thread and pass it from remaining 2 loops. This is the double crochet pattern which I will follow in this whole round for 10 times. Just follow the pattern. If you find any query, just ask in the comment section. I will love to reply. Okay, now let's do it a bit fastly, so for that we can save our time. Now I will count the double crochet, that how many double crochet pattern I have followed. As I have told, the total of 10 double crochet patterns we need in the first round. So after making the 10 double crochet pattern, we will just make a magic which you will see the last double crochet is left. Now I will pull the thread so that our first round will be complete. And now I will enter the hook in the 2 chains from where we have started our circles, and pass the thread from the 2 of the loops, and then again we will knit the 2 chains and make the double crochet pattern and pass it from the same chain, and again we will make the double crochet pattern 2 times in the same chains. So in the second round we will follow this step like 2 double crochet 2 times in the same chain. And now in the end we will again pass the hook from the 2 chains from where we had started our circles, and then pick the thread and pass it from both of the loops. Here we will not follow the double crochet pattern, just simply pick the thread and pass it 2 loops, and then again we have made the 2 chains and make the double crochet in the same loop. And what we do in the third round, we will do a pattern which will be different. Like in the 1 chain we will make the single double crochet, and in the next chain we make double crochet. Again single double crochet, then double crochet, then single double crochet, and then double crochet. We will follow this step in the third round. Just follow this step and enjoy making the coaster. And for the fourth round we will start each of the next round from the same pattern. Like we will make 2 or 3 chains in the start, and then make the double crochet in the first or in the same chain. Okay, then what will we do in the fourth round? We will make double crochet in 1 chain, then double crochet in the second chain, and in the third chain we will make double crochet. Okay, for the 2 chains we will make single double crochet, and for the third chain we will make double crochet. Okay, 2 double crochet mean in the third chain. Okay, this is for the fourth round, and for the fifth round we will increase the number of single double crochet, like double crochet in the single chain in each next round. Like for the fifth round we will make 3 single double crochet, mean for the 3 chains we will make single double crochet, single double crochet, single double crochet, and for the fourth chain we will follow the pattern of double double crochet, means in the fourth chain we will pass double crochet for the 2 times, and for the fifth round we will follow the same pattern, and for the sixth chain this pattern goes on. I hope you have understand the pattern of crochet. If you still find any query, please ask in the comment section below, and please, if you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Here I'm showing, if you find any query like in the threads, if the thread is making a bit mess, then open the last stitch what we had done, and if it's stuck then open the thread, then again start what you have been doing. So now we are done with a few circles of crochet coaster. Here you can see it. We will add some more circles in it. To hide the holes from where we start our circles, we will use the end of our yarn, like you can see I am showing you, and hide it straightforwardly with the help of a needle in the back of the crochet coaster. So for that these many holes will be hidden. So now we will add some more circles in it and then move to work flower making. Let's start over. Making crochet flower is very simple, like you just see the every next step I am following. So that's how you will start working on a flower. That's very simple. Just see here. First chain, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I will make total of 60 chains. Okay, you can see I have made some chains. Let's count them. These are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52. So I need 8 more to go. Okay, let's make the last 8. 40 53 4 5 6 7 8 59 and now 60. So from here we will start our next chain, which will be something like that. Like first make a round on your hook and then enter your hook into the fourth chain, first, second, third, and this is fourth one. So I'm entering my hook into the fourth one like this. Now you can see there are the 3 loops over my hook, and then wrap the thread or crochet over the hook and pass it from the loop. And now again there are 3 loops over my hook, and again I will first pick the thread and pass it from 2 of the chains or the loops, and then there are the 2 loops, and I will again pick some of the crochet and pass it remaining of the 2. Now you just see the design. This is the first step of the floor. Now we will make the 4 chains. 1 2 3, and here's the last one, fourth. You can make the 5 or more chains if you want to make some big floor or something else. Okay, now what we're going to do, again we will follow the double crochet pattern which we had followed in this step here. This is called the double crochet pattern. So again I have just wrapped the thread and then enter into the same loop. Okay, in the same, you just see like this is the loop, and I will enter this in this chain, and now we have the 3 loops over the hook, and I will pick the thread and pass it from the chain and pick the thread and pass it from the remaining of the 2 loops. This is called the double crochet pattern. Okay, from now we will follow the same pattern, which is something like the double crochet. First we wrap the thread, and then again we will count the 4 chains. First, second, third, and here's the fourth one. Enter the hook into the fourth chain, pick the thread, pass it from the chain, and then wrap the thread, pass it from the 2 of the loops, and again pick the thread and pass it from the remaining of the 2 loops. Okay, and then we will make the 4th chain, first, second, third, and the 4th. Okay, and again wrap the thread and pass it from the same loop like this. And I'm making it a bit clumsy, sorry for that. Actually I am focusing on making the video as well as on making the floor, so pardon me. Okay, again we will follow the same pattern. Just see, first, second, third, and 4th loop, 4th chain, pick the thread, pass it from the chain, pick the thread, pass it from the 2 loops, and then from the 2 loops the double crochet, and then make the 4th chain, first, second, third, and 4th. Okay, now follow the double crochet pattern in the same loop, and the last one, 1, 2, 3, and the 4th. Well, the 4th chains, 3rd and 4th. Well, by the grace of Allah, this last pattern didn't stuck. I didn't stuck in the last pattern. Well, you can open it bit and make a knot here, or you can cut this part. Well, I don't want to cut it. I will cut it in the last. Well, what do we do in the last? Okay, we make 1 and 2 chains and then turn it over. Just see, this is the first pattern, and then what we're gonna do, we make the double crochet and pass it from here, and from all of this we will follow the double crochet. Total of 10 double crochet chain we will make here. I like this stuff very much. This double crochet pattern is very nice. Okay, let's count how many double crochet we have done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So we need 1 more to go. We have to make a bit space over here for the last stitch. Okay, this was the last one. Okay, now what are we gonna do here? Like this, I will make a big knot here, and again we will follow the double crochet pattern here. Just see, I am doing it too slow. Okay, you can do it a bit fast or the slow. I'm just doing it very slow because so that you can just follow the pattern. Okay, now we're gonna make the double crochet 10 times again in the same floor. Total of 10 we need here. Okay, how many chains we have done with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need 2 more to go. These are the 10. So again, what do? We will do like this, pick a thread and pass it from both of the thread. Okay, now we again follow the double crochet pattern. Just see, we are just done with this loop, and now we're gonna make the 10 double crochet in this one area. Just see, follow the pattern and just start knitting. So at the end of knitting, we will make a wider loop and make a cut, and from this our needlework will start. I will show you how to do so. We will also cut the starting crochet thread. Now it's time to see the magic, that to wrap the chain in such a way to make a flower. Just see how I am folding the chain. Likewise, this fold your chain of flower and your flower will be ready. Here's the final look of our flower, which you can just see, and now we will fix it. By fixing, our flower will not be reopened. At the end of the needlework, we will just make a small loop, and then we will tie up our flower and the crochet together, and this will be the final look of our crochet mini coaster, like you can see. And to tie the flower and the crochet together, I will use the thread of a coaster, but not the flower, because if I use the white color thread, it will be shown at the side of the coaster. So for that, to avoid the messy look, I will use the same yarn thread that I used to make the crochet coaster. So for that, follow this step, and if you like my videos, please like, subscribe and share it. I hope you will love this mini decor idea. So stay connected until next video. Allah Hafiz.